the amount of money, time, effort that I spent on this car, and it's fucking over in 10 seconds. I mean, that's just, I'm heartbroken. I just don't know what to say anymore. I mean, let me just flip the camera around. There she is. It, like I said, in the picture, it did look worse because, as you guys can see, the frame's all straight. Everything's straight. Like, the rigidity of the car is all good. So that's good, but it's just, you know, other stuff. So that's destroyed, the pulley. So we're going, I just said F it. I'm getting a fixed pulley. I ordered one already. Fixed pulley. I got to redo this stuff here. I'm going to change the pulleys out while I'm here. I'm going to change out the AC compressor. The oil filter housing cracked. Thank God you can unbolt it. It's not directly to the block. It's on bolts, so you can take it off. Gotta fix that. The pump right there got messed up. Radiators all got messed up. That bottom one is fine. It doesn't seem like it's leaking, but unfortunately this one here did. Yeah, so need a new one of that. I'm gonna get one of those. And all in all, I've already got all the parts, honestly. I got at the junkyard yesterday and today. I got a hood, got a fender. I ordered a new bumper from Souvenir. It's supposed to be here on Wednesday. It's being air freighted because that bumper's garbage. It's gone. I mean, if I'm selling these though, because the new bumper comes with them. That's cracked. But if anybody needs these, I know these are always out of stock. So if you need these are good, as well as that one. And that light is fine too. I guess message me or something. We can figure something out. I'll sell it to you. All in all though, it's looked worse than it was. But I mean, you know, all this stuff's got to get redone. You know, I've already got everything. The radiator support. I got a radiator, a condenser, everything. I've already bought it. I have all the parts. And this is, I don't know why this happened, but so of course the airbag deployed when I, you know, hopped out, or when, because I was in here. Seatbelt, when you need a new seatbelt. That one, I don't know why it deployed, because there was nobody in the car with me. I was by myself going to work in the morning, and there was nothing in the seat. So I'm guessing somebody before me maybe jerry-rigged the freaking, you know, the weight sensor in the seat. So maybe it thought somebody was sitting there. I don't fucking know. But all in all, car will be back. This is just a quick update. Videos might be a little sporadic just because I don't have the time to work on it consistently. My dad's gonna be the one doing it because I work. But we'll get it back. The car will be all good to go. And yeah, I mean, I don't know. But as I said, for now, just gonna fix all this stuff here. I'm gonna basically do some maintenance. Belts, I was gonna change the belts anyway, so I guess now I gotta do it. Belts, pulleys, and I'm gonna go fix pulley. I'm gonna do a 77 or 76 millimeter pulley, whichever one I see. Probably the VRP 76 one, so we'll go from there. And I gotta get a new radiator, or the new secondary heat exchanger from VRP again, and we should be good to go. All in all though, all the lines seem fine. Coolant lines seem fine. The oil lines seem fine. Just a couple of hoses, like this one needs to get changed, which was, I guess, fine because I was going to change this anyways. It's old, it's brittle, so that's going to get changed. But yeah, all in all, it definitely looked worse in the video or in the picture than it really is. But it's okay because she will be back. She'll be back better than ever, and I'm not giving up on the car. I mean, I love this car to death, and at this point, it's, you know, I'm married to the car because it's got a bunch of miles. It was already salvaged. So, I mean, it's whatever. To me, it doesn't matter, but it will be back. I probably should have added on real quick what actually happened. So, I was on the highway heading to work, and I feel like the guy cut me off. I obviously, I can't prove it's my word against his, because we were both fine. You know, thank God we were fine. He was fine. I was fine. So, we didn't call any troopers or anything, or we just exchanged information. But all in all, car will be back, and I feel like he cut me off, but I can't prove it. So he just I just couldn't stop. That's just kind of what happened. It was like a spur of the moment. But all right, well, I just had to add that in there because I know people were gonna ask like what happened, but that's basically what happened. Just couldn't stop, and the best course of action, I couldn't go right. There was cars to my left, so it was either do that or hit somebody on the right. So unfortunately, I choose it. But thank goodness, as I said, we're both fine. Everybody's fine. And at the end of the day, yeah, we love the car so much, but it's just a car. So it will be rebuilt. It will be back. And good thing the frame's all straight and everything. But yeah, and again, thank you guys all so much for sticking with me through this. And there will be more videos. I know this one's really short, but I just wanted to give you guys at least an update so you know what happened. So yeah, I basically rear-ended somebody, you know. Whether it was my fault or his fault, I don't know, and I honestly don't care at this point. I just want to fix my car. But yeah, I hope you guys all have a fantastic day, and let me know in the comments what you guys think. Should we go faster? What should we do with it? And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take it easy.